Hey guys, welcome back to Goldfries. This is the AORUS K1 keyboard. Full-size keyboard, RGB LED backlit with Cherry MX switches. Now, RGB LED, as you can see, you can't see. It's so dim that I'm going to have to off the lights just to show you the RGB LED effects right now. Retailing at RM389, the AORUS K1 is quite a dim keyboard for one that has RGB LED. It's so dim that switching the lights off at my studio did not help at all. Not that I'm a fan of bright blinking lights, but compared to what's in the market, it should be reasonably bright in the first place. The AORUS K1 is so dim that I have to off my studio lights just to show you the ripple effect. Notice how choppy is the ripple movement. The LED just doesn't fade in and out properly, making it a fine example of poorly implemented RGB LED lighting. The ABS keycaps on the AORUS K1 are thin and have legends on the unlit side, making them as good as not being there at all. As always with AORUS, you need two software to control one device. The AORUS engine is for key-related settings, while the RGB Fusion software is for LED settings. User experience wise, I feel that the AORUS K1 is average at best, with bottom out and top out sound being quite loud. What's more disappointing is that the stabilizers on the keyboard are poor and the keycaps wobble. Alright, so we come to the end of this video. Is this an affordable Cherry MX reed switch keyboard? Yes, it is. Is it worth the price? Well, that depends on you. For me, I think at this price point, it does offer you a good gaming experience, as in for the tapping part, but it comes with so many flaws. I can only give it a bronze badge. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.